Hi friends. Today we are going to see about how to earn money by using SMS. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Our application is exclusively Android based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. You just need to install our app. Get paid by our money making app. For received SMS test messages. Step 1, go to browser and type Money SMS. Step 2, click to download. I have already downloaded and installed. Step 3, fill the details. PayPal account is important. Step 4, you will get paid 2 cents for each received test. You can request money withdrawal as soon as your balance hits €2. Receive your money in 48 hours. Thank you for watching.